4. Foreclosed home cleaning. Cleaning foreclosed homes is a business that caters to banks, real estate agents, or property management companies. These homes often need thorough cleaning to prepare for resale or rental. The process involves removing trash and old belongings left behind, deep cleaning, and sometimes minor repairs. This work is labor-intensive but consistent, as foreclosure rates ensure a steady demand. Clients often sign contracts for multiple properties, making it a reliable source of income. It's an excellent option for individuals who aren't afraid to roll up their sleeves and provide a much-needed service.